Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Thursday for the sixth straight day as the Dow Jones dropped by 546 points. Shares in insurance, pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences and energy, they dragged the market lower, while on the economic docket, CPI improved 0.1% month over month in September. Initial jobless claims increasing to 214,000 in the weekend at October 6th, while continuing claims reaching 1.66 million in the weekend at September 29th, in line with expectations. All while decliners ahead of advancers, 92% of S&P 500 constituents, they traded lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Broadcom, the U.S. Justice Department and the SEC opening investigations into whether Broadcom's planned purchase of CA Technologies was part of a stock manipulation scheme. This reported by Bloomberg, citing sources. Turning to Asian markets higher today, the Nikkei up 0.46%, the Hang Seng rising 2.12%, China CSI 300 up nearly 1.5%, and South Korea's Kospi up 1.5%. European markets posting a rebound, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start this Friday morning. Turning over to today's trading session, Citigroup third quarter EPS seen at $1.68, JP Morgan Chase third quarter EPS seen at $2.26, PNC Financial Service third quarter EPS seen at $2.72, while Wells Fargo third quarter EPS seen at $1.18. On the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning with the September import price index as well as export prices. 10 o'clock in the morning, the October preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment read. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees a limited recovery expected at a support base at 2745, which is in focus and has formed and allowed for a temporary stabilization. The index breaking above its 20-hour moving average and a declining trend line in place since October 10. Long positions above 2745 are favored, with targets at 2800 and 2820 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, that sees the upside prevail, while the Dow Jones sees the bias remain bullish.